Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Plans Way. Myself Rohit. In this video we are going to learn the things regarding the OBS and at the I'll demonstrate you in the P6 as well how to create an OBS and what it is used for. Let me share the P6 screen and we'll carry forward. Firstly, to give you the quick overview regarding the OBS, it represents the organizational hierarchy of the company and defines who is responsible for what. Unlike WBS, which breaks the project scope, OBS defines the management responsibility and authority of the individuals working in the company. Quickly covering where we can use the OBS. It is used to assigning the responsibilities in the projects. We can control the user access via OBS, up to which level access we can give to the particular user. We can set that in the P6. It is used to linking the projects to the responsible project managers. Lastly, each and every Primavera enterprise and the project need to be linked or assigned one responsible manager so that it is easier to know who is responsible for what in the company. Now I will demonstrate how we can build the OBS or the organizational breakdown structure in the P6.
For your reference, I have added an image on the right hand side of the screen. In this training series, we will carry forward the things that we have started, and we are using the same example of the Apex project integrated group for which we have created the EPS in the P6.
For that, similar to EPS, we need to click on Enterprise and select the OBS from there. Or the second option is in our left hand side. If we see, we have man with a board at the back. It is the icon for the OBS. We can access the OBS by clicking on that icon as well. But the standard way we'll follow hitting on the Enterprise and on the OBS. A new window will pop up similar to that of EPS. Now we will start building all of the responsible manager for this company that we have created the EPS on the last video. For a reference, I have kept the image in the right side. The topmost level is the director, which followed by two of our portfolio manager, and there are program managers for each portfolio, and there are project manager for each of the projects. To add the OBS, we need to hit an add, and as this company is a separate entity, we will keep this OBS separate. We'll keep the first one as the placeholder company name on it so that we can recognize, okay, this is the company name and following the OBS belongs to this company, which is the Apex integrated project group. This will work as the placeholder and we will keep the responsible people below that. Obviously the first one is the board or the board of directors or the director, we can say director, and there are two of the portfolio manager for each of the portfolio manager. I have kept the name ideal. You can keep the name of the people as well. Portfolio manager David and portfolio manager to Robin. You can place like that if you want. But in this video, I'll keep the name as the individual role entity. There are two of the program manager.
And same applies for the portfolio too as well. I'll create it quickly. To differentiate both the portfolios, I'll keep R for the real estate and E for the energy.
And quickly place this program manager under the portfolio manager. And for each of the programs, we have three individual project managers. Now we will start adding project managers under the program manager. As we are building a hierarchy, project manager 1, second will be 2. Now I will quickly complete this chart.
We have successfully created the chart where we have kept
Apex integrated project group, and under that there is a director and two of the portfolio individually managing the portfolio real estate and the energy, and inside the real estate portfolio there are two of the program managers under which three of the project managers sits in, and similarly for the energy as well. We have successfully built up the hierarchical order, the OBS of the company Apex integrated project group. Now it's time to assign these project manager to their particular companies. If for reference, if you can see on the image on the right hand side of the screen, the first one I have placed the Apex integrated project group, the responsible person or the responsible manager we can say will be the director. For that we need to go on the detail section of the window, general, and from there we need to hit on this responsible manager three dot icon, and we need to place on the director. Yes, now I placed it director. Secondly, for the real estate portfolio, as you can see, if we have added the director on the Apex integrated project group, if we don't have anything assigned below, it will pick up automatically the director name. Now I need to change that one to real estate, to that one portfolio manager 1 for the real estate. And similarly for the energy, we'll keep on energy portfolio manager 2. And similarly for the program, we'll pick up the program manager 1, and for the residential, we'll pick up program manager 2. Similarly, I will complete for the rest.
when doing this task for the project. It is worth noting that we need to open up the project first to assign up the responsible manager for those, but the rest is the same as that of enterprise.
Now we have assigned all the project managers and the enterprise managers. If we want to make sure whether the things are placed in the correct order that we want to keep across or not, you don't need to go with individual item and check that. What you can do is simply you can right click, columns, customize, and you can search for responsible manager. Responsible manager. We need to place a column for the responsible manager, and now the name will appear. You can quickly verify from here whether the things are in the correct order or not. First one, for the company director, we want to assign the director, that's fine. Portfolio 1, portfolio manager 1 for the real estate. Energy, portfolio manager 2, and program manager 1 for the real estate, program manager 2 for the real estate, and all of the project manager followed by okay. Now I've verified everything is in the correct order. If you, let's suppose the project manager 2, you want to assign project manager 3 here. On that case, you can either add that from the detail tab under responsible manager, or simply you can hit that and the window will appear, and from here as well you can select the responsible manager 3 and put that across. But make sure your project is opened at the time. If the project is not opened, it will not be assigned. That's all regarding the things that I want to cover in this video for the OBS.
Thanks for watching this video. The next video will be on work breakdown structure or the WBS.
For more insight, please subscribe the Plans Way. I'll see you on the next video.